Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today is a wonderful January day. We've got over an inch of snow on the ground and it's still coming down. Temperature's about 12 degrees outside. Today's my day off. What better day than to make a soup? Yes, we're making cream of spinach soup. Very easy to make and a perfect day to make it. We have 36 ounces. This is going to be the easy, quick way, by the way. We got 36 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, which I've left to thaw out in the fridge overnight, and it is ready to go. Don't have to mess with washing and chopping your own spinach. We got our cheaters garlic. We got, to start out with, 1 teaspoon kosher salt and half a teaspoon white pepper. We got a couple potatoes, onion. Now, we've got a quart of chicken broth. But that's not going to be enough, and that's all I got. So we got a better than bouillon roasted chicken base, which we will plus up the liquid with that. We're going to use fresh rosemary and of course cream and some olive oil. So stick with me and we'll show you how it's done. Alright, in a saucepan, a soup pan, we are going to, got some olive oil in it, and we're going to start to sweat out the onions. And a tablespoon of chopped rosemary leaves. We're also going to add the salt and pepper at this time, and join me in a couple minutes. Okay, about 2 minutes later, we're going to add the 2 peeled and chopped potatoes and sweat those out for a couple minutes. And to that, we're going to add my cheaters garlic, and we're going to add, let's say a tablespoon. And the reason why I selected this one is because we're going to puree everything at the end, and this is already pureed. Alright, another couple minutes. Things are smelling real good. At this time we're going to add the quart of chicken broth, and we're going to move it up to medium-high to start getting this boiling. And to that, we're going to add another about 4 cups water and better than bouillon. And we're going to add, we're going to call that, 2 tablespoons. Alright, so now we're going to simmer this, bring it up to boil, simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of simmering, we added the spinach and we turned the heat up to medium-high because the spinach is still cold. But it's all thawed out, and we're going to bring it back to a simmer, and then we're going to simmer it for 20 minutes. And we're going to add, add half a stick of butter, and let all that cook deliciously. It's smelling very good at this point. Alright, after 20 minutes of simmering, we put the immersion blender to it, and we've got a very nice creamy sauce. But we have to add some cream to it. So, I'd say we're going to add about a half a cup. And we're going to let this heat through for 5 more minutes, and then let's serve it. And here it is, a bowl of steaming goodness, but we're not ready. We are going to garnish it with a little bit of green parts from the scallions, or spring onions, whatever you want to call them, as well as some croutons. We have some cheese and garlic Texas toast croutons, which are right on time. And let's see how you open this package. We're having technical difficulties, so join me in a bit. Was finally able to open the package with the help of scissors and a razor blade. So let's add a few croutons on there, and yeah, there we go. Let's go ahead and taste the soup. That smells marvelous. And I've already tasted it for seasoning. It's perfect. Oh, look at this hot, steaming creaminess. And I'm looking out the kitchen window and the snow is still coming down. Oh, let's give it a try. The creaminess of everything. The potato gives it a nice thickness. The spinach, of course, is marvelous. I love spinach, always have as a kid. So that's right on time. The chicken broth was good, adds a good base. Hint of garlic in the background. Perfect soup for winter weather. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.